G'day legends. Well, tonight is one of our easy recipes. Just like the green curry I've done before, this one's just as simple, but even tastier, I think. What we need some roti style Indian breads. You get them for either Aldi or your local supermarkets. We just need some chicken pieces, brown sugar, coconut milk, chicken stock, your curry paste. You're looking for a yellow curry paste, some potatoes, carrots, and some beans.
Not all those beans.
No, we just wash them. I'm going to freeze some. But that's it. It's pretty simple. So the first off we're going to do is throw all your potatoes into the pot we're going to cook our full curry in. It's going to cover it in water and going to boil these to about half. And I will show you how to cook these properly later in the recipe.
And of course the wine glasses.
Just chopping our carrots lengthways. I'm going to cut them again. This into straws.
So how many beans have you got? Just like a handful?
Yeah, pretty much about 20.
Did you actually count them individually?
I did.
That looks a lot less than 20 though.
Yeah, I'll get some more. Okay, give me some more then. Give me 20.
Okay. So it's just...
So you're going to top and tail and then throw them in whole. About 5 minutes from the end. Okay legends, so I'm just going to add some oil to our pan. About a tablespoon. Then we're going to put in our beautiful onions. Just going to cook them for about 5 minutes first.
Just till what we call translucent.
Yeah, just softened. Cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to add the curry leaves into there and just mix them through. You'll hear that crackle.
And that crackle pop.
Oh yeah. Our curry paste.
Do you always add that whole tin?
Why not?
Really?
Probably not the whole thing. Don't waste what I don't use, to be quite honest. So we're going to just turn the heat down a tiny bit. Once you start choking on the fumes, you can add a cup. I'm going to cook it a little bit longer. Add a cup of chicken stock.
Gets in your lungs, make it.
Just deglaze.
Oh yeah, gets in your lungs.
So we'll just put that back to the boil. Just going to add our chicken pieces.
No, so you don't brown them or anything,
No.
you just like
Just throw
them in like that.
That's why this dish is really simple. Okay, so don't forget to add the beautiful star anise.
It smells like licorice.
Okay legends, we're at the next stage. We're going to add in our coconut cream. I'm using it all, so I gave it a bit of a shake first. I'm just going to add that and our potatoes. I'm making too much of a mess, like a special. And somehow I'm going to try and stir this. I think I should use a bigger pot, guys. It's working, but
We don't. Oh, we do have big.
got a big stock pot, which probably would have been. Yeah, but once I stir it, it'll be okay.
Yeah.
So now we're going to add our carrots. It's funny how, I don't know, it's got something maybe to do with the wine. It adjusts my cooking skills slightly.
It's also adjusting my recording skills.
Well, we haven't a lot of stress tonight with the batteries, so I had to have a drink.
The spotlight's got too bright.
Yeah, all the flashes are in my eyes, but anyway, so we're going to add our beans and tomato
reminiscing about when we were in Georgetown because, believe it or not, we actually had this very meal in Georgetown, and then what happened? We had the meal and we were like
Restaurant closed down.
how good it was, and like 2 days later the whole bloody restaurant closed down.
I don't know with this.
And it was right below our...
Staying.
Yeah, I know.
I'd have been there every night. Okay, let's put the lid back on. Still in a slow simmer there. So, party on, dudes. Okay, we've got little balls running around. The little balls are ready to go. So now I'm just gonna... The secret to good rotis is to butter it. Although it's full of fat and flavour, you need the butter.
I think it's just a little bit of... I'm getting Udupi vibes.
So it's been going in a couple of seconds, about 2 minutes. Gonna flip her over. The secret of this one is just flip it every pretty much 60 seconds. I got a little bit excited and I forgot about it, but it's got that,
Golden brown.
yeah, like the side of a like the tandoor oven, you know,
Yeah,
they throw the oven.
tandoori. Yeah, we just
throw my
did it in
hand in
India.
like I'm in India.
Oh.
There we go. Legend. Nuts.
Right, I get to try this labour of love in my pajamas. Snuggled up to a good wine.
It's winter here in Australia. Or what we call winter anyway. 19 degrees. That come the flannelette pajamas and the fucking curries.
Yep, when it's 19 degrees you need to have a curry.
Can we talk about the food now?
I just did.
You did it.
It was boom.
And boom shaka.